2006 we had a historic flood. Though there was no raining in the city, the water came in and almost 75% of the city was underwater. Whatever water came, it came through our Ukai Dam. The estimated loss is to the tune of around 20,000 crore Indian rupees.
दुकान के अंदर 14 फुट पानी था। दुकान के अंदर जो भी मेरा सामान है पूरा बह गया था। 2012 में पानी आया तब 1.5 फुट पानी था दुकान के अंदर, रोड लेवल से 5 फुट पानी था।
Now every year Surat will get flooded. We know because climate change will bring flood to the city. We had to devise a mechanism so that in the worst days the city can remain functional and normal. End-to-end warning system essentially is to give us a higher respite time. They have put appropriate radars and other sensors which gives them forecasting.
They are gathering hourly information of the rainfall and gauge data at some of the stations.
This automatic weather station has rainfall, wind direction, wind speed, temperature and related humidity. The all information come to us, our server.
We are in constant touch gathering the rainfall data and get data from the upper catchment. Based on the data we have received from the early warning system, pre-depletion is the best option to deplete the reservoir below the existing level to create the sufficient space in case of a high inflow.
So many stakeholders, and earlier they were working independently. Now the results by different agencies, they are put into one system.
Surat is a resilient city. People are now used to face the flood with a bravery and due confidence.
For Surat to be a resilient city, it needs to be functional on the worst days and thriving on the best days. We can't become prisoners to the recurring shocks of flooding.